Welcome to our Brisket about cooking, where today we'll be risking it for a brisket. I've got a piece of brisket and I've put it fat side down. Now, once you've done that, you want to grab a bit of Dijon mustard, put a blob of that on, and with that side of the spoon, just give it a nice spread all around. I've finished the brisket off. Let's give it them final touches. For this mortar and pestle bit, you'll need 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, hot chili powder and smoked paprika. You'll also want to add 4 tablespoons of coarse salt and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Once you've put all your ingredients in, give it a good round with your mortar and pestle. Make sure you get it really fine. Now, you want to grab just a pinch of your stuff and put some over. Now, need 1 pinch more for this, just do it. Now, you want to pat it just like a cat. Now, it won't fall off because it mustard, but just give it a good old pat still. Now, pat into the meat. I've been patting the meat all round and it's all nice and in. So it should be ready now. I've got a bread tin, but any metal tin will work. And I've put some kitchen roll and wood chips in. The kitchen roll would be a good lighter for the wood chips.
Add the tin of wood chips to the back of the Roccbox and await for it to light. Once lit, make sure that you switch the gas off. Once it's producing some smoke, wrap the Roccbox with some foil around the entrance. Make sure the temperature is around 250 to 300 degrees. Once you're happy with that, just ensure that the smoke can slightly escape, as you can see there.
After an hour, remove the meat, reheat the Roccbox to 250 degrees and add more wood chips if needed. After 2 hours, remove the meat, reheat the Roccbox to 250 degrees and add more wood chips if needed. Also, put some of our barbecue sauce that we made in one of the previous videos. After 3 hours, your brisket should look a bit like this. Once rested, slice thinly. Once sliced thinly, add to a bread cake. For an extra touch, put some of our barbecue sauce we made in one of the previous videos. Now, time for a taste test. Right, so it's been 3 hours and got the sandwich. Looks nice. So, put some barbecue sauce on the buns, as you can see. And now we did use our own barbecue sauce. And this is a really good sandwich. I would give it a 10 out of 10. Now, for saying my goodbyes, you can have some taters with it. If you want a nice recipe for some roast potatoes, look in the description below. If you want some more, subscribe, hit the bell and like. Bye.